Welcome everyone. I am super excited to talk about the Cricut Explore 3. I've been eyeballing this for my craft room for such a long time, and I want to say thank you to Cricut for sponsoring and providing us with the Cricut Explore 3 that we'll be looking at here today. So I am a one-trick craft pony. I know one craft, and that's crochet. People assume that I can create anything, and I've always been envious of the crafty people who can scrapbook, design t-shirts, custom cups, and those cute little wood signs. This is supposed to be easy enough for the two-thumb crafter like myself to use with, so we'll see. So I'm going to break this video down into 3 parts. We're going to do a show and tell, demonstration, and a final review. So, what is the Cricut machine? If you've been lying under a rock somewhere, you might not know what it is. The Cricut Explorer combines the power of a professional machine with the simplicity of a Cricut, and now the Explorer is even smarter and faster than before. What can you do with a Cricut? So the Cricut Explorer 3, you can cut, write, draw, and score and foil with over 100 different compatible materials. According to their website, you can even cut jute and corduroy. I haven't seen corduroy since the 90s. If you purchased a Cricut Explorer before, you're probably wondering what is so different about this one. Now there's more performance and features packed into the same machine. The Cricut Explorer 3 has 3 more powerful motors, which you can cut up to 2 times faster than before using smart materials. So what are the smart materials that I speak of? Smart materials are designed to use without a mat. The machines have special material guides to keep your materials perfectly aligned. For the first time ever, you can cut up to 12 feet in one go. The sensors inside the machines measure your material before cutting to ensure you have enough for each project. Like the Cricuts before it, the Cricut Explorer 3 is all about smart materials. Smart materials can be put into the Cricut without a cutting mat. You just take the vinyl and feed it into the machine, and it cuts perfectly every single time without piercing the adhesive shield on the back. Because you're not limited to the size of the cutting mat like other Cricut materials, you can cut an entire 12-foot roll of vinyl in one project. And since the Cricut machine knows exactly what's happening with the smart materials, the blade can travel significantly faster than it would like with traditional vinyl. You want to know how you can easily load 12 feet of paper onto your machine? Use the new Cricut roll holder. It holds large rolls of smart vinyl and iron-on in one place during cutting, and even has a little handy little trimmer. The roll holder is not necessary, but it's extremely helpful when you're managing bulky and long rolls. It helps keep them in place and align perfectly when making long cuts. So I talked about it and I showed you what this thing is all about. So now I'm going to give you a quick demonstration. I'm going to add my name across my craft room entryway, as if you couldn't tell with all the yarn. First, we're going to go to the Cricut Design Space. You can click on an image and browse Cricut Design Space pics. You can also sign up for the 30-day free trial. You'll gain access to tons of fonts and images. I'm going to upload an image. Upload a picture. I'm going to resize it to make my image fit the material. The helpful measure grids around the perimeter keep me in check. Now that we have it right, let's click Make. Review your image. Click Continue. I'm using Smart Vinyl Removable. Now it's going to tell you to press the Load button on your machine. It's going to measure your material to ensure you have enough. It's going to tell you to press the Play button, and the cutting begins. We removed our vinyl from the machine, so now we're going to remove it from the protective backing. Please be careful when you do this. You don't want all your hard work to go to waste, but I did learn this the hard way. Don't let the sticky material stick on itself. Trust me, you don't want that. Use your scissors. It's starting to look pretty awesome, but it's quite not done yet. So I'm going to use my Cricut tool to help remove all the little inside parts of the letters like the L's and the H's in my name to give it a finished look, and then it'll be ready to put on my wall. You got to see it in action, and now it's time for the final results. I absolutely love it, and it was so easy to use. The only complaint that I have about this is on my end. If you look at my sign, you can see I could never make things level. So if you have any tips for making things level, please put that down in the comments down below. So since using this, I've used it several more times. I've made my husband an oven mitt. He's the cook. I burn water. We call them Pop Dukes. I've made myself a little wine glass, yarn balling. I think that's what I'm doing. I put myself a little sticker for my laptop, and I'll show you some other things that I did for my kids also. So I'll leave those up above. So I'm going to tell you exactly why this is such a wonderful machine. It's so versatile. The Cricut Explore 3 is perfect for the one-trick craft ponies. It accurately cuts over 100 materials, including everything from iron-ons, vinyl paper, to special glitter paper and cork and bonded fabric. The value of this investment is amazing. With everything that you get with this, it pays for itself. Use it for gifting, decor, or making little tags for your handmade crochet items. And it's so easy to use and set up. In just a few quick button presses, you can have a project completed in no time. And with the Cricut Design Space on your desktop and mobile, you can make it from anywhere quickly and easily. So I am ready to give you my final review. On a scale of 1 to 5 balls of yarn, I am going to give the Cricut Explore 3 5 balls of yarn. If you would like to find out more about the Cricut Explore 3, I'm going to leave all that information down in the description box below. And guys, make sure you check out all my other review videos. I'll leave that above, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.